I'm not even joking. I think I just replaced my assistant with AI. Like everything, content research, even some client tasks, done automatically. And the crazy part is this tool is free and almost nobody is using it properly yet. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I replaced, what still doesn't work, and how you can actually make money with this. So, for context, if you're running any kind of online business, you already know how much time gets wasted on small tasks. Things like research, writing content, answering messages, organizing ideas. That's usually what assistants or virtual assistants are for. But recently I started testing something different, AI agents, and specifically OpenClaw. Now, OpenClaw is not just another AI tool. This is where things get very different. Because instead of just asking something like ChatGPT and getting an answer, you give OpenClaw a good goal and it figures out the steps itself. So instead of saying, write me a script, you say something like, research trending AI topics, come up with video ideas and create a script. And it actually breaks it down step by step and executes it. That's where this becomes powerful. So here's what I did. I tried to replace my assistant completely for a day. I gave OpenClaw tasks like researching trending topics, generating video ideas, writing scripts, and organizing workflows. And then I just let it run. And honestly, within minutes, it was already giving me better structured output than most people would. But the interesting part is, it doesn't just give you answer. It actually thinks step by step while working. So it improves the process as it goes. And that's something normal AI tools don't really do. Now, let's talk about the actual results. What worked really well was speed. I didn't have to wait for anything. It just kept going. The research was solid, the ideas were endless, and there was back and forth. No explaining things 10 times, no delays, but it's not perfect. You still need to guide it properly. If your instructions are bad, the output will be bad as well. Sometimes it overcomplicates things, and it's not 100% human level yet. But even with that, this easily replaces around 70 to 80% of an assistant's tasks, which is actually insane when you think about it. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Most people will look at this and think, okay, this saves me time, but that's the wrong way to think about it. This is not about saving time. This is about making money. Because now you can build systems. You can automate content. You can generate leads. You can offer services to businesses using this tool. You don't need a team anymore. You just need the right setup. This is literally what I'm doing right now. Instead of hiring more people, I'm building AI systems. And those systems work 24/7. And this is just the beginning. Soon, you won't just have one AI doing tasks. You'll have multiple AI agents working together, like a full team. And the people who understand this early are going to dominate. So, if you want, I can break down my exact OpenClaw setup, how I use it for content, for automation, and for making money. I just comment AI or check the link below and I'll show you everything. And if you're not using this yet, you're already behind.